Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to change a password on a Windows 10 computer. This will work on 10, it'll work on 7, any of the older ones, with a local account. If you have a Microsoft account, you won't change the password like this. You'll go to your Microsoft account and change it through there. That's pretty self-explanatory. So let's take a look here. What we're going to use is this software right here, NTPWEdit, as in NT as in Windows NT, and I guess the PW is password edit. You can get that from this website right there, NTPWEdit, and download it, extract it. All right, so we're gonna open up the program. What I would recommend is go right click and run as an administrator. Probably work if you don't do that, but it's always better to do that. Give you a little bit more privileges. So you're gonna get that little window, and it's gonna default to C, and then the path. So what you want to do is, replace that path with where your drive is. So you can click on these three little dots, and then go to the drive. In this case, it's this D drive here. Where are we going? We're going Windows, System 32. And this is opening up right away, but if you haven't opened up the drive prior, it's going to probably go through some permissions and take a little bit longer to just get the permissions for those files. Where we at? Config, and then that's the SAM file there. So all you got to do is just follow that path, SAM. Then open. So you're gonna see that changed. I mean, everything's the same except the letter, right? Then you're gonna click on open. Actually, no. It's got a little warning there that the drive is in hibernation. So we're gonna continue regardless because we don't have another option. And we're gonna try to find here the user. It's gonna be this one here, just because all these, we know that it's not, right? By process of elimination, that administrator is not the computer administrator. That with a user, that's the hidden administrator. So it's never going to be that one, and all these don't make any sense. So that's the only one that really makes sense. So what I like to do here, instead of unlock, I like to just change the password. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, a high security password, 1, 2, 3, and then save changes. Don't forget to do that. If not, you'll be back to this window again. Save changes and exit. So I mentioned about we're booting to an external drive. Obviously, if you don't have a drive, you can't do that. So one of your options would be is just remove your drive, and you could just connect the drive that you need to unlock to another computer externally with a dock, or if you got a 2.5, you can do it with one of these SATA cables. So you want to access that drive from another computer. So let's go. Okay, so that should be working. Let's try it. Let's give it a restart. And I don't know if it's going to boot default to the other drive. Is it? All right, let's try it. One, two, three. there you go. And that's how you change a password from an external drive on a local account. And that's what's going on today at PC 901.